Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa tarot reading services ngayong November 2024. So kung gusto niyo mag-book, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, so let's see what's coming to you, Leo. Ngayong full moon in Taurus, so especially sa mga Leo rising dyan. So you have, itong full moon is happening in your 10th house of your career, of your reputation, the way how people see you, perceive you. So meron tong conjunction sa Uranus, the moon. So, maaring magkaroon ng some sort of drama pagdating sa trabaho, sa office, doon sa environment mo sa workplace. So whether you have a business or you are working for a company, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenge, especially with your boss or with your colleagues, no? Maari kasing magkaroon ng yung parang marireveal yung intentions ng katrabaho mo or ng someone within your workplace, and you might not like it. Parang magkaroon ng conflict or tension between the two of you, especially pagdating sa yung work ethics, no? Ito yung tipong merong person or katrabahan mo na sisita sa'yo na, oh Leo, ba't hindi mo to nagagawa or what? Bakit hindi mo pa to natatapos? So there's like some sort of pressure, and then it might create unexpected turn of events or tipong may mapikon, may mainis. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi nila kapag full moon daw mainit ang ulo ng mga tao kasi nagkakaroon ng fluctuation sa kanilang emotions, no? So yeah, that's something that you have to pay attention to pagdating sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho or even yung mga subordinates mo. Halimbawa, meron kang business at may mga tauhan ka, tapos konting mali nila, naiirita ka kaagad, that might create some challenges within the relationship ng employer-employee. Okay? So, kumbaga kalmahan nyo lang. And then, for some of you, maaring may realization ka, it's like, para siyang may trigger sa trabaho na masasabi mo na, okay, this is it. Tama na, ayoko na. I'm done with this work, with this job. So, yung iba, meron ditong walang kaabog-abog magre-resign, aalis sa trabaho because you want to explore new things, new opportunities. Okay? Meron tong opposition sa Sun, which is in Scorpio in your 4th house. Pwede rin kasing may pressure sa family na, alam mo yung tipong pinupush ka ng family mo na magtrabaho. And dahil doon parang nawawalan ka na ng time para sa sarili mo. And sometimes, no, yan yung nagkakaroon ng conflict sa family kasi parang ang tingin sa'yo is machine, 'di ba? Or a milking cow, kumbaga. So, pwedeng doon magkaroon ng tension or challenge din sa relationship mo with your parents or doon sa mga taong nakaasa sa'yo. So, kumbaga, mas maganda na maayos na usapan. Kaya lang minsan, hindi mo rin may iwasan kahit ikaw yung gusto mo maayos na usapan pero yung kausap mo hindi siya maayos kausap, 'di ba? So, what you can do here is, syempre kailangan ingatan mo yung energy mo. Huwag mong hayaan na madrain ka ng energy ng ibang tao. Okay? So, meron tong positive aspects sa Neptune and Pisces in your 8th house. So, I think may mga gagawin kang activities na parang some sort of escapism. Yung parang iiwas ka sa parang pansamantalang pag-escape sa situation. So, maaring maging prone ka sa ganyan. Yung tipong dahil gusto mong maka-escape sa isang challenge sa relationship mo with your family or sa workplace, you will be involved with mga alcoholic drinks, ganyan, that will somehow maaring meron tong, sa una, it might help you, no? Pero in the end, kapag napapadalas, pwedeng it might destroy you. So, you have to be very careful kung saan mo dadalhin yung energy mo. Pwede kasi itong mas maging creative ka, instead na you will, parang, yung attention mo ibibigay mo sa mga unhealthy habits. So, instead na unhealthy habits, you will go to a more creative and artistic way of escaping from a situation na ayaw mo. So, you might involve yourself into painting, creating stuff, or anything na you feel good about yourself pag ginagawa mo. So, there's also a positive aspect sa Pluto, which is in Capricorn right now, which is in your 6th house. So, changes ito sa mga priorities mo, sa mga routines mo. So, maaring may mga babaguhin ka sa ginagawa mo everyday. Or yung iba sa inyo, mas mag-organize kayo ngayon. Yung iba, you might also get a pet, no? Alagang hayop, alagang pusa, aso, or kung ano man na sa tingin nyo will, mas akma sa situation ninyo. You have the Queen of Swords, Palaban ka na ngayon. Yes. Lalo na ngayon, marami kang option. Okay? Marami kang option. And with the 9 of Wands, I feel like, you, for the longest time, nagtiis ka eh. Nagtiis ka sa sitwasyon mo, nagtiis ka sa career mo, or sa pressure na binibigay sa'yo ng family mo. But ngayon, alam mo na mag-set ng boundaries. Alam mo na lumaban. Alam mo na mag-cut off ng connection. So, some of you might be doing that, cutting off connections sa mga taong no longer serving your highest good. At some of you kasi meron pa kayong i-consider na ibang option sa work, sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Maaring merong opportunity for you to work from home, or mas less stressful na trabaho or career or business na still magta-thrive ka, no? So, you can still be successful in that field. Wow, tinan mo, a fiery climax approaches. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong maaring drama within sa work or sa family, dahil sa mga pressure na ibinibigay nyo sa isa't isa, or especially sa'yo. A time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. I see this as giving yourself the time to recover. Okay? Kasi minsan parang ikaw na lang lagi yung nag-give way sa iba. So, it's time to honor yourself and take care of yourself this time. Especially yung iyong kalusugan. Okay? Pag sinabi natin kalusugan, hindi lang yan physical, no? Mental, emotional, spiritual health. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Good luck.